Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Hope you're doing very very nice. Hello Danke, the only one in on Twitch. Oh, Princess too. Hello. Hello, Kid Googleologist. Hello Sharp Black, hello Gold Headed. Hello Frozen Bee. Hello Potato Dressing, and hello just a cheaty kid. Yeah, I'm just building it. I'm not very verified. Cool Case, hello. How are you doing? Oh, yeah. So, fine, let's go. So, I just went to Stream Elements and I tried to do stream media requesting, which is like how I do my song stuff. And this is what I see. So, nice one. Anyway. So I'm using some random website now for it. So you're not gonna see the song in the stream, sadly. I wasn't aware I followed you. I haven't seen your name in a very long time. Well, I haven't streamed in a bit. Yeah. Also, yeah, it's fine. Okay, let's go play. Finally completed Psychosis 7th Heart Demon. Oh, let's go. Congrats. Oh, I finally get to open my messages because for some reason I just do it on stream always. So I just wait until I get on stream so I can open these. Let's see what kind of funny comments do we have today. Hi. Hi. Your tutorials helped me get better at building and my skill has gone up massively because of you and XCG. I wouldn't be on the leaderboard if not for building, which has helped me to stay in the community. Oh, that's so awesome. I'm happy with that. That's why... those are like the nicest messages you can get. Hybrid X team from Discord. Hello. How do you do the Golden Club? You beat it. That's crazy. Bro. Sorry for the like, I'm doing the mission for friends. What? How many level is my best? It's my level dream playtime. It's like a feature rate. I actually J-roar. I mean, you can literally see my... you can see the YouTube channel I'm streaming on. Hello, Muro. Hi, send me a friend request, please. No. Bro, you waving supersonic sucks. I have a skill issue in I'm well aware. GG. Hello. About your party in the Garasu. I know I'm just bad, but why did you make your boss so hard in the Garasu? Currently signed. Oh.
Has been in the gang for 10 months. 10 months, Pog.
That was not 1 month. Thank you so much for 10 months. Yeah, I can see. The last time you subbed was 2 weeks ago. I don't think 2 weeks is 1 month. Curious. Thank you so much, though. I really appreciate it. Yeah, my part got buffed. That's why it's hard. Please. Yeah, one from the collaborators of Limbo. Yeah. I just got the anniversary thing. You might as well abuse it. Yeah, of course. Honestly, in my opinion, building a very gimmicky platform or recreating another game is the easiest way to get a rated level. I'm a coder, so triggers aren't that hard for me. Yeah. Coding definitely helps with trigger work. You can make triggers hard if you want. Well, true that as well. But it definitely helps if you're a coder. Coding background helps. Last night was so weird. There was a bot commenting messages on recent tab levels and had posting a post taking to an unlisted level which has since been deleted. Ah. Was it some not safe for work stuff? GG. Your map pack level. I just want to let you know that your level in the map pack on the club sucks. Tell Rob to delete it. Alright, bro. I will. Don't worry. Always. Every single time. Also got deleted. What got deleted? Text messaging to say I hope you are having a good day. This machine duel, dark disco duel. Okay. Alright, I want to. So, if you guys have seen my Twitter, you might have seen some stuff about this level, which is a wrapped-up level randomizer. Well, let me actually go. This is what it looks like, and basically you can easily choose which parts you want in the randomizer. So I can just select all of these, make them activate. So now all of these parts from Geometrical Dominator are in the randomizer. Are you handling songs? I just load them. I mean, it's pretty simple, I think. There is one big problem I need to change right now, and that is the fact that I don't start every level, every part at the exact same time. So it gets desynced after some time. Even those without the NG version. I mean, so far I haven't gotten to any song that doesn't have a Newgrounds version. Well, some of them are different, and I just do the best I can with it. Like, I think Clubstep is quite a lot different, but I think it works well enough. It's not like music sync is extremely important part. Yeah, I can just play this and just chill here. Yeah, and on the top right you can see all of the parts I have. And whenever there's a -1, that means that those two parts are either the part I'm currently in, or it is the last part. And also I don't have multi-activate on the portals here. So some of them, like the mini and big portals, they don't activate multiple times right now. It's a very simple fix. Yeah, like you can see right now, it's slightly offset. Like things are happening too early. And here I'm gonna die actually, watch this. Yeah. Death. So I will need to do that in a different way, but let's just select all of these, make them activated. And now I have all of the levels so far that I've made. Oh yeah. I haven't made a system where it changes the ground yet. I just made 2 different grounds. Here I have the grounds. Yeah, let me just use the normal ground instead. Ah. It's actually really fun, especially when you have like some interesting transitions. Like here, like it's funny. Why recreate ground? Because I don't want to move the player up and down all the time. So I just recreate the ground and move the player, or move the ground to the right position. I could have done this very differently by just moving the player to the different parts of the level. That's how I did it. It will take some time to recreate the grounds, but whatever, it's fine. Like here, for example, if you look, I have the ground right here, and I don't want to move the entire level up and down a little bit, or the parts. So now the ground is just like somewhere below. Maybe that would be a better way to do it. Yeah, like if I do this now. Yeah. What is happening on the screen? Is there something weird happening? Numbers? Ah, those are just some... No need to worry about them. Debug numbers. So... let me just hide pause menu. So here is the current part. So I'm on part 11. So I've beaten 10 parts so far. 88 seconds. Don't worry about this number here. Don't worry about that. That doesn't mean anything. Here are the amount of parts currently in the pool. Here is RNG, random number, and then picked 17. So I picked number 17, which is this part right here. And it becomes -1 because I picked it. So it's not gonna get picked again next time. So I'm gonna make two different or multiple different ways to edit this randomizer. And one is where you can replay the parts. And then there's another where you can't replay the parts. I did absolutely nothing, but it looks nice. Yippee! So this is like Robotop Trial, but every part is random. Not exactly. You don't have to beat every part. It's not like that way similar. Like, it's kind of similar that it's only Robotop levels and it's random, but it's very different too. I think it's gonna be just like you play for 5 minutes and then you beat the level. But you can change the randomizer and you can do whatever you want. You can make your own randomizer stuff. And I think it's gonna be a really good tool for content creation. Like, imagine making a randomizer that is only the very first part of every Robotop level. So I just do this. Or not even a randomizer, I can just do this. So now it's only the first part of each level. And then I can go here and I can select in order. So now it selects the first one, then the second and the third, and so on. So as you can see now, if you look at the top here, only the first part of each. So these are the part level numbers, and these are the parts here. So it's only the first part of each level. So here we go, Stereo Madness. Way too complicated. Don't worry, it's hopefully whoever will make content out of this, and I hope there will be people making content out of this, because I think it's going to be a really interesting thing to play around with. I just need to make it understandable enough. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure if it works right now. What are you doing? Just playing my Robotop randomizer that I'm working on. Just showing what the project looks like so far. Yeah, I'm not sure. It might become just a Stereo Madness again. Let me see. It's gonna be Stereo Madness. Oh wait, it's a low part. Yeah, it's gonna be Stereo Madness again. I'm gonna play through this entire thing with my friends. I mean, there's gonna be an endless mode, so you can play it forever. So you can try to go for a high score. I'm also gonna make coins, so you can go like maximum amount of coins, maximum amount of time, maximum amount of parts. Is inspiration important for level creating? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, let me just select everything here. Or actually, you know what? I'm gonna do only ship parts. What? There we go. Only ship parts. Yeah, so you can do stuff like this. And I think it's gonna be really interesting because you can make like different kinds of videos. Like, oh, let's do a RobTop randomizer with only ship or something. Hello, player. How you doing? I'm working on or showing off my RobTop randomizer I've been working on. Hello, troll of trollers. How you doing? Mods. Thank you. Crazy man 50 levels. I mean, you can add your own levels too, but it's just gonna be harder to do that. RobTop level ship randomizer. Since you get a 2-hour Polaris ship part. I mean, you can get the same part twice in a row. But otherwise, yeah. Completely empty level random, so there's nothing. And the possibility of nothing happening 100% of the time. Let's go! I mean, that's possible, if you can do it. Well, I can show it after this. I'm gonna play this for a little bit. Is this Strataverse? No. This is, I don't know what to call it. Should I call it GD randomizer or should I call it RobTop randomizer? Which one's a better name? All ship, yep. It's a ship randomizer. RobTop roulette. RobTop roulette sounds funny. But I want it to be like a really simple name though. Yeah, you can see how desynced it is now. Oh, I can barely make it there. A roublet. Oh, it's so desynced now. Yeah, I need to make that system better. So right now, I enable the next part early on so you don't... like you see it when you get there so you can react so it doesn't just appear out of thin air. But that also means that like I also start the next part when that happens, so it gets like slowly desynced just a little bit every single part. It isn't like perfectly synced. So cool as a concept. Yeah, I'm gonna be finishing this. I really hope it's gonna be it will be used for content, because I'm gonna watch every single piece of RobTop randomizer content I find. I think it's gonna be really cool. We're doing it, we're almost there. We almost finished the RobTop randomizer with only ship. I'm gonna die if I get one of those parts again. I'm not gonna be able to make it because it's desync. I don't want to play this, but one issue is that I make training videos. I mean, you can play it, you don't have to make a video out of it. Pre-clubstep levels. It only contains a few of the early levels, or mostly the early levels, and then it contains clubstep and geometrical dominator. But it will contain literally everything except can't let go. Wait, no, base of the base. Yeah, base of the base. Oh no, I'm gonna die here. I'm gonna die here. Oh, oh. Ah! Yeah. Yeah, base of the base, because there's a max of 21 songs you can use in a level. so I can't. I had to remove one song or one level. So base of the base, after my tweet, I asked people like what they think is the most boring, uninteresting level, and everyone said base of the base basically. So I decided base of the base, you're out. But yeah, it currently has Terra Madness, Back on Track, Polar Chase, sorry, Dry Out, Can Let Go, Jumper, Clubstep, and Geometrical Dominator. Guys, update GD. Anyway, now its entire rotation is be sync round spike. GG. It's a bit loud. I think it's a bit loud still. Is that better? Is that a good volume, chat? What do you say? Slightly lower. It's still a bit too high. Sounds fine. Alright. I'm serious. Okay, let's find out. Is there a GD update? Let's find out. Do you wanna bet your do you wanna bet a ban on it? If there is no GD update, you get banned. Do you wanna bet it? Since you are serious. Update on mobile? Hello, Emmas. I like the ban. Should I check it? Let me. Well, would you look at that? There is no update. Who would have thought? Okay, any YouTube mods who wanna ban this guy? Spreading misinformation. Actually, no, hold on. One more question. Is it iOS? Wait, cookies really? Nothing new, I guess. Oh. Okay. It was Android. Oh, interesting. I didn't see an update. Maybe I'm just stupid. Okay, never mind. No ban then. Did it say anything about it though? Like what's new? It's not 2.11. That's for sure. Silksong came out. No way! I'm lying? No, I don't think so. I think it's real. Silksong came out just now. Okay, let's see. What should we do today? Somewhere in the IOTA 2 timeline. Is your family doing well, Chaser? Yeah, my family is doing really well. Watch it. Look, look, look. See this? This right here is a wedding ring. My family is doing amazing because I just made a new family. Oh no. Yesterday was 1 month anniversary. Princess, are you still here or are you sleeping already? .2.207? Isn't 2.207 old? Event level and chests, new achievements and rewards, new song trigger options, bucket. Isn't 3.207 old? Is this verified? No, I'm working on it. I still have stuff I need to do. Hello, Twixen, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. Oh, so it actually did get updated. Maybe people will finally stop whining about frustration. Look at this. I'm a mobile player. Impossible on mobile. Impossible. Impossible on mobile. Bug. Negative and bug. Why are the people complaining about the icon being like huge? Why is my robot fat? Why am I fat? It's not that hard on mobile. My robot is glitching. Mobile players I feel bad but good on PC. Mobile players worst nightmare be like. Impossible on mobile. Yeah, so basically... Is it true that you got married, Shay? It is! Oh my god, princess! You won't believe this. I was just talking about it. Oh, you were brushing teeth. So while you were away, someone asked me how my family is doing. I was like, oh, my family is doing amazing. I actually made a new family just a month ago. And I showed them this ring. This really cool ring. And I realized that yesterday was our 1 month anniversary. We didn't celebrate it. We didn't. I just realized it now. It's already been a month, apparently, yeah. It's thundering. That's crazy. If I suddenly disappear, chat, I got hit by thunder. Is all the Discord server your adoptive sons? Yeah. Let's say that. Okay, so what should I be doing? The beginning cutscene, done. Do you mean lightning? Yeah. Thunderstruck. Thunderstorm. I don't know. No level builder, I'm gonna do that. What will be the most surprising is hearing the sound in this level, since I have no idea what sound there is. Oh, you don't know what the sound is? Well, let me... First of all, wait. I have to download the songs. Where are the songs? Okay, that's one song. Okay, and then there is... this song. And then there is this song. Okay. Here we go. Right arrow. Hello, Fruit Beast. How you doing? It's thundering, very cool. Okay, so there's one song here, and then listen. It's kind of quiet. Oops, wait. This will also maybe one more sound effect. I might be adding more sound effects later. Right now, visuals are my priority. As you can hear, the sound song changes here from like the radio edit to the actual. You built this? Yep. Oh yeah, let me make the sound effects louder too, so I can hear them too. Oh, the song doesn't start? There's some bug there with the song. Where's my song? I don't know what's wrong with the song. I feel like the song used to be completely okay. And then it just stopped being okay. I don't know. It actually built itself. Whoa! That's so cool. I have a question. I didn't set the true, not if then basic right. Okay, it's random nothing burger. There we go. Here's the song. Your creation of video. Oh, you did? That's cool. 3D is insane on the foreground. Thank you. I've been working on it a lot to make it good. Yeah, Kamala, you should get sleep. Feels like the player's progression with that song switch. Oh, thank you. Okay, does it work? The song switch? Yeah, it does. So these two songs are completely original songs. Oh, really? No. Completely original songs that were made for this level specifically. Is it okay to use a lot of triggers? Yes. I mean, look at this. There's a lot of triggers, as you can see. Original OST. Yeah. Original OST. Okay, so now since I'm done with this... Oh no... Well, I guess it's time. Where are you? Ah, I see. Oh, that's actually really interesting. Okay. Let me go here. Duration lines, thank you. I thought all the good levels only used like 5 triggers or something. No, 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 no. All the good levels use a lot of triggers. But they use them in a smart way. Because you can use triggers in a not smart way. Smart way. Smart. What was that shake? It was the shake of the spaceship taking off because I forgot to turn it off when I went here. Hello, Tsuga. How you doing? Earthquake. Ooh. Marsquake. True. So... what I was working on is this stuff I don't want? Can they just work? Because if I remember right... Oh, that works. That works, wait. Yeah, that doesn't work. Remember when you were making these rock formations feel organic? Good times. Yeah. I mean, I think it looks really good. I think it was worth it. What did Shelly do? Let me do this. Oh, they're broken. Wait. I think I have to get this one here. Maybe this is enough. Okay. I remember you eventually making talking about something about this. Let me try again. I remember you mentioned something about making a Steam game version of Strata after seeing Quarium will be on Steam. Or am I tripping? I did talk about that. I think it would be a really nice, really cool thing to do, but I don't know how achievable that really would be. So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's what it does, by the way. That's what the jelly do. Even that is broken? I feel like it'd make more sense for your roguelike rather than Strata. Strata is very cheaty. I guess, but for my roguelike I would... I don't know. I feel like... No. It would be too much to do it, I think. What? Oh wait, hold on. Let me try if I do this. Okay, and now I put this here. Does this level have a plot? It does. It's not really anything crazy though. By the way, how do I make my animation and keyframes not so choppy? Like I can't even use them correctly. I will be I will be making a tutorial on them eventually. But right now it's just too much. Like there's too much stuff here. Wait, can I do update art? No. Preview art. Hello, Ken. How you doing? Okay. So, I think the problem was here. Yeah. So if I do this, I think it's gonna be... That was the problem. So you're back, huh? Yeah. Keyframes are weird. I don't really understand them completely myself either. Oh, I see. Wait, but... Is that a bug falling through the rock square above the 3/2? Oops. I don't know what you're talking about exactly, but probably it's a bug, yeah. Right. Alright, see ya, player, and thank you. Thank you for stopping by. The same problem as before? Yeah, because I haven't made anything here. I have to figure it out. Yeah. Why does nobody watch your streams? I don't know. Maybe I'm not interesting. Maybe watching building streams is not interesting. Maybe that's not what my audience is interested in. I don't know. Could be many things. Why are some triggers on touch even though you can't get there? Just to toggle them off. So because I'm testing like fixing some other stuff, so that's why I turn them off by changing them to touch trigger. Easiest way, so I don't need to delete them, because there are some remaps on these. You're interesting. Yippee! Thank you, Ilum. And handsome. Yeah, you're interesting. Oh, thank you. Sometimes I feel like I'm not really... Well, there are some streams that are not interesting because of what I'm doing, and I do understand that. Sometimes I feel like I could have more viewers, but I don't, and it's okay. It is what it is. It do be what it do be. Okay, so I'm thinking I should make one spawn trigger that will check for the box itself, and then another... I wonder, Emma. So there's much you can do on building stream. Yeah, it's true, and I do understand like most cheaty players, I guess that's the right way to say it, are not as interested in watching building streams because it's much lower pace, and most cheaty players are kids, and kids don't have a very it's too complicated for them. It's not fast enough, I guess. You wanna get band level builder? Is that it? Yeah. And especially because kids like loud streamers. That's true, yeah. I'm definitely not loud. Thank you, princess. Yeah, and also one other thing. Turn up your mic volume. Is it low? Hello? Meow? Is it really that quiet? Is it quiet? No. It is actually kind of quiet. It was a joke because kids like loud. Oh. I'm stupid. Okay. Yeah. My mic is a little bit quiet though. I feel like usually it's a little bit louder than this. Oh well, it's anyway. It's fine. Yeah, so what I was saying is that I also do a lot of trigger work, which means that I just check random numbers like these ones and nobody understands anything. Even I don't understand half of the stuff I'm doing. It's just a bit delayed. Might be, you might also just be delayed yourself. Could be anything. I feel like the less viewers, the better. You can like talk with them better. To a certain degree, yeah. But I would like to have a little bit more viewers, like 20 viewers, 20 to 50. I think is nice. It's also hard to explain what you are doing and think of solutions. Yeah, it's true. Very true. But yeah, I'm also now thinking about making one spawn trigger here to check only the only the box itself, like that will get up and down. And then I will get 2 spawn triggers that will only check for the collision, like what? Okay, so I will have basically like here, I have 1 here for the boxes, and then 2 spawn triggers, 1 for each box, checking like if they should be colliding and moving, right? So I will do the same with the lift as well. I will do 1 where I will only move the box itself, and then another one that will be checking for the other boxes when I lift the box. Which should work, I think, better than what I have currently. Because the problem is that when I enable this, then both of these are trying to move the box at the same time when I move the elevator. So I move the lift up and down, and both of these are trying to do it because they spawn the same thing. So if these would not be checking for the box itself, but would only be checking for the other 2 boxes. So let's say I have box 1 on a lift. So box 1, I'm not gonna move them anyway. So box 1 is on the lift, and then I will have only 1 spawn trigger that will be checking that, and then I have 1 for box 2 and box 3, and then I have 2 other spawn triggers that will be checking for box 2 and box 3 relatively. Kids like saying, oh my god, we're finding new top 1 extreme demon. Yeah. Well, good thing that Cheaty is not a programming language. This is not a programming stream, this is a Cheaty stream. Yeah, just programming, but with extra steps. Okay, so let me try that. Box lift prefab, and then I'll just copy this and do box stack lift prefab. Yeah. So this one should be like very simple, where it's just like when I move the box. Let me just copy this over. And I will now edit this and remove like these 2 are like only about boxes. This is about bonking up. Lift goes up, move if finished. And these 2 are also just boxes, I think. And these are also just box 2 and 3. Okay. Maybe I should learn coding, since apparently cheated triggers are harder, and I know those. I mean, literally. Like, you can just... Wait, hold on, let me just... I'm gonna go bait on it. Cheated triggers way more catching? In my opinion, no. Not really. I like coding in Unity much more. But yeah, just like if... And then you just... Instead of doing like this as the variable name, you can just do box bottom, and then just do like equals equals. Actually, you gotta do this. You know, like just whatever. If it's 23, then you do something. Do something. Like, it's so much easier. Because if you want to do this in GD, you have to use an item compare. You have to have 2 different variables here that you have to set up too, and then you have to like do something. It's actually like that's more annoying stuff. Like here, this is an if. Like check if move finished. This is literally it. And then item edit is just editing the variable. Yeah, so here I just check if time is more than 0. Item compare. Item compare is definitely the best trigger for coding stuff in GD. 100%. Okay, box top is 1. What do I even use box top for? Huh? Do I use it for... Wait, what? Pick up 246? What am I even using it for? They all have it, so I use it for something. Spawn gonna be interesting for you then? Yeah, does it still exist? I don't know if you've seen the entire level, but in Nice Tech I used item edit to calculate the score you receive at the end. Oh, that's cool. I love programming, honestly. Me too. Programming is awesome. Oh wait, I could show... You know what? Actually, I'm gonna do it. Hold on. Getting sidetracked. Let's go. Just wait. Spawn is outdated. Yeah, that's what I thought. Because I haven't heard anything about it since 2.1. It's no longer supported. Yeah. Okay. I'm opening Unity right now. Depending on your score, obviously. That makes sense, yeah. Did you use item compare for that? To check, like, if you have this much time, then you should get this rank. I used item edit, like I said. But how do you use item edit to decide like what rank you get? You have to like give the rank to the player in some way. Yeah, they dropped support a while ago. And any rewrite attempt went nowhere. Makes sense. I guess it's instant count. Oh, I see, okay. Makes sense. Hello, troll. It's a banger song. Why is it taking so long? Hello? Just load Unity, come on. It's not that serious. It's not that deep. I just want to show my fun little project. I haven't shown it anywhere online yet. I have shown it in my server though. Unity always takes forever. Yeah. Okay, here we go. I found it. Are you planning a Deltarune stream? Eventually, yeah. Eventually. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So, this is my attempt at remaking the GD editor UI. So basically, don't worry about like the buttons just being kind of like everywhere. But yeah, I can just place blocks here. I can move around with middle mouse, or with spacebar. And then you have like, let's just do that. And then you have swipe here, so I can swipe, obviously. And then I don't have, so these don't work yet. So I have to go here and just give myself tool delete. There we go. So now I can delete here with swipe. But yeah, it's just like I can zoom in, zoom out, like just basic functionality to show like stuff working. Why did you make GD? So I could make a video. I'm gonna be making a video about remaking the UI editor, but basically I'm gonna be making all of these buttons on the right here into a right-click menu. Because they take so much space, you know. Oh, also I somehow messed it up so it doesn't toggle off. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. I understand why. Makes sense. Do you know C++? No, I don't. I haven't used C++. I would like to maybe make this into a mod, but so far modding kind of scares me. I know it's on C++ and I feel like it could be kind of easy to... Well, I would be able to work with C++ if I just started doing it, but I haven't done anything on C++ yet. I have used C and C# though. He said himself he wasn't good at editing or something, so his videos literally use mods to change text pops and such. Yeah. Jay doing kind of the same thing. Well, not really. I think it's just easier to show everything here. Like this. But yeah, did I have something more interesting? Not really. Oh, I guess actually, wait, I do. Hold on a minute. Yeah, these buttons here. So, yeah, you can add the same. I don't have anything for that, and I'm not gonna add anything for that. But yeah, basically, filter group ID. You can have as many groups as you want, just like when you select an object and edit the group, you can just add groups. So you can filter for only these objects here, or these group IDs, and then it turns blue when you have it. And same for colors as well. And then there's one for like different yeah, this one doesn't do anything, but it should be like background, ground, and everything. Yeah, and then you have this button to just remove all filters. I'm wondering if I should change the position of these, like instead of having it in a tab, because it's only four buttons. But I don't know. You should at least try to make it a mod. I might try to make it a mod, but I don't know how well it's gonna go. Yeah, but like all the buttons here, like they work. And I did have these tabs, but right now they don't. These tabs don't work. They don't do anything. And you can select like multiple. And these ones actually changed to like the main one. But basically, I'm trying to make GD editor feel more like a modern program. I don't know how well I made it work here with all of this, but yeah, I'm trying. One thing I don't really know what to do with is exactly how I'm gonna be doing this, because if you have this selected, like when you place blocks, right? It should have like create and edit, like these two are kind of related to like, I don't know. It's like create and this is kind of like similar in a way. Like they do kind of a similar thing. And same for like, I don't know, it's just kind of weird. Like these here are tabs for the middle part here, but having like this one here while I'm deleting, that should change my tool to delete here. There we go. So now I can delete objects, and then I can do swipe to modify like how the tool works. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with it yet, but I'm gonna try to find some solution that works well. But yeah, I wanted to also show, like, programming is so much... It's so nice. Like, I just have a bool here, which means that it's either true or false, and it's just called is dragging. And that is when I hold the right click, middle mouse, to move around. So I'm just like, oh, I'm dragging now, so now I should be doing something. And then when I press down on my mouse button, it's saying like, okay, now I'm dragging. It's true. And then it starts, okay, now I start following the mouse. True or false, so item compare. Exactly. But it's much simpler here. So this here is the... so this would be item edit here. Or collision check, I guess, could also work. And this one here is just a function, so a spawn, I guess. And this one here... This one is item compare, this one is item edit, and this one is a spawn. So this one will start a coroutine, which is here. And this one is just like while... basically item compare and just like looping. So this is a loop, so while I am dragging, it will do something. And then it will wait until the next frame. Yeah. Anyway. That's enough of this project. I would like to try to make it into a mod in GD, but I don't know how well that would actually work. Because I don't know modding, I don't know C++. So there's two problems there. Okay, so... You could ask for help? I could. So this is check if move finish, stop time, lift timer. What do I use 246 for? That's what I don't understand. Bonk up. I'll say it in person. Yeah, what about it? So I spawn 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 2, 5, 6. 1, 1, 8, 5. What? Six two one is 1091. Snap bottom 2, snap bottom 1. Where am I spawning 6? Okay, those ones I see, okay. I guess they mean a modder would rather work with someone known in the community rather than a random person. I guess, yeah. Okay, lift going up. So, let me just look at this logic. So when the box is on the lift, I will do a collision check when the bottom of the box hits the lift. And then I do an item compare if the lift is going up. Yeah, that is lift going up. So if lift is going up, it will spawn 1462, which is that it will start following the position, lift snap position. Okay, and then I also start doing the timer. Oh, which is not correct actually. I guess it's okay though. Wait. Okay, that's just not working at all. Okay, anyway. So I spawn all of these, and also this one is checking when the lift stops going up. So whenever the lift stops going up, I will spawn these three, and this one checks if the move is finished. If it isn't, 1185, it will spawn that one. Okay. Otherwise, it will do nothing. So wait. How does that work? So when the lift stops going up, I check if it finished moving. And if it did finish moving, then I do that thing. Otherwise, I don't do anything because I have something else that will do it, which is oh, 1067. Okay, so that stops moving. I don't know. And that can also happen. Uh-huh. What if... No, it should start following the lift. Is this red part gonna be the last part? Yeah. There's gonna be 8 puzzles on the last part instead of the 6 of the other worlds. Little hop. Well, this little hop actually does fix this, so you can't get it. You can't get it messed up. Okay. Haven't seen this purple liquid before. Oh, well, you're in for a treat then, because the way it works is really cool. But I'm working on the lift right now, trying to make it work. I still don't know what this does. What do I use 246 for? Box ceiling. Box ceiling. Well, that box top. I use a sewer level. Out of all the themes you could have picked, you picked sewer. Do you like the vibes? I mean, I guess. I don't know. Box top. Two, 4, 6. Box top 2, 4, 6. What am I doing though? Okay, 2, 4, 6. Right here. 2, 4, 6 is 2, 1, 2, 6. Do I have them here? I don't. 2, 1, 2, 6. Zero was fun for me to work with, actually. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Because it's at like 23. Like it just keeps adding stuff to it. Maybe I was trying to fix something with it. I'm not sure. But for now I'm just gonna remove it because like, what's the point? 1256. 1256. 1256. It doesn't exist, so I don't even need this. What? Oh wait, ooh, huge problem actually, hold on. Right. All of this should be set to touch triggered. Not like it really matters though, because they instantly stop each other though, but let's do it. Okay. That doesn't happen. Cube story level 7. Got the whole James Cameron stuff here. Yeah, what's going on here? When do I spawn this? 1185. This one here, 1185. Yeah. And also control 28. Oh, so when this lift stops going up. Wait, so when the lift stops going up, I check if it finished and then I will spawn 1185. Otherwise, I will just do nothing. Okay, but why is it not working then? Like right there it should go up. Why is it not ever triggering? But everything still works though. So... So I don't even need any of this then? Is that it? I don't need any of this? What? Excuse me? Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot about it. This is the 100th Strataverse stream. I just remembered it randomly. 100 Strata streams. Stop following left. Walk up. Maybe this one does happen. Oh wait, this one spawns 1118. But it's 1118. Wait, this one? That's a lot. It is a lot. Crazy how we got more episodes for Strataverse than we got of Cleveland show. GG. I don't know what that is though. But that's GG. I don't understand. What? Is this what's doing the hop? Cleveland from Family Guy? I don't watch Family Life, but maybe. That's what's doing the hop. If that's what's doing the hop, then this triggers. How does this not trigger? He's the black character. Bro fell off. True. Meow. Meow. What does the cat want? Do you want to go outside? Wait. BRB. Okay, I'm back. I don't understand. I do not understand. So, Hussily, my parents' cat, got her food already, her evening meal, multiple hours ago. She came here to meow at me. So I was like, oh, do you want to go outside? Because she likes to go outside a lot. So I went out and she starts running to her food cup. I'm like, okay, what do you want here? You already got your food. She eats a little bit, starts pushing me, headbutting me, eats more, starts headbutting me again, eats more, and I'm like, what do you want? Like, do you want me to watch you eat? Do you think you're gonna get more food after you finish? Like, what's going on? It's not the first time she does it. I don't understand what is she trying to say? Yeah, and after she ate all of her dry food and most of the wet food as well, she went out now. So I don't know, did she just want to show that she ate so she can go out now? Oh, ex-creator call. Hello, how you doing? On the stream, thank you. Okay, so I still don't understand how does this one trigger, but this one does not. Doesn't make any sense. And if I make this instant, why is it 169? I don't know. Oh wait, I do know. I do know. I remember why it is 169. But it doesn't make any sense. So hot? Baby, I'm sorry. You can't sleep? Zero point 0.0169. Am I using it here? Box 3 stack? Box 3 stack. What would you say is the best mod for creating if you had to choose one? I think Better Edit. It does most of the stuff that is really good. But then there's also like the better transform tools that lets you just... Wait, that's a bad example. Let's get this one. That lets you just do this. Instead of having to anchor here like this. It's really annoying. Yeah, I'll try to eat. Night night, baby. Yeah, but there are more mods than... Actually, one mod that is also insane is this mod that allows you to have groups here. It's so good. Instead of having 10 million tabs here, I just have one. We need this in the official game. Yeah, it's so good. Like, that's how it should work. Or at least make it snap. Yeah, that is true, Emma. Yeah, but I just turn it on when I need it. So I just do this, and then if I wanna do that, I just do that. Oops. And then I just do this. Wait, what was it? What was the... What was the combo to do warp tool? I forgot. Oh well. Okay, so I remember this is instant here. This one is 0.0085, and this one is 0.0169. Right. That is because in order to make it so they don't hit each other, or they don't fall through each other, I first move this one, and then I start moving this one, and then I start moving this one. So there's always a tiny little gap between them. But what I don't understand is that they don't change at all. Like, this one doesn't ever get spawned, which is weird. 1185, yeah. So this one does spawn them. I don't understand. Is it changing at the trigger indicators mod that I showed? Oh, I do want to get it. I just forgot about it. I saw you show your level, and I saw you use it there, and I was like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, I will get it eventually. So why is it not going up? Ah! Amanda, thank you for the follow. Oh, you can mess it up. Oh. Hello, Hunter. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. How did I mess it up, though? Oh, peak playing. That's particle settings, so I can see particles radius in the editor at all times. Ooh. How did I do it? Yeah, anyway, it seems to be working well. Then when I choose my next hardest, it can be a jump, but not artificial ascent or quantum processing. My hardest Black Blizzard. No, I do not want to choose because I don't know levels. So I don't know what would be like a decent choice. That's actually an interesting thing. So I can use this to like separate two blocks that were, or two of these that were previously stuck together. It's interesting. Hello, Fatherman. How you doing? It's been a while, yeah. I don't understand. Ugh. Is it because of this? Hello, Beer. How you doing? I am creatoring, yeah. Also, why? I don't understand. I updated NVIDIA app, whatever, shadow play thing, NVIDIA control panel thing, I don't know, whatever it is, to something, some newer thing they were telling, like, oh, you should update, this thing is better, and blah, blah, blah. And it keeps adding these stats all the time when I turn it off. Like, I do not care. Let me just in case it has, like, some information, I'm gonna do this. Like, I do not want these statistics. And I keep turning them off. And now it's off, but it just keeps going back randomly. So weird. I don't really understand why. Why it does that. Oh yeah, I wanted to test. Oh, speedrun strats. Okay. Why though? Wait, I have two of these on as well. Does that cause some problems? I don't understand at all. I spawn 1 to 30. Right. I spawned that one. That has all of these. Makes sense. Wait, let me just make that one a touch trigger. And I spawn this one. Wait, let me just copy this. And I will spawn 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. I don't spawn no, I do reset remap here. So I need to make it somehow without resetting remapping. Okay, so this one will spawn that one, but what is this? 1, 1, 2, 4. 1, 1. Wait, where's 1, 1, 2, 4? One, 1, 2, 4. Isn't there like 1, 1, 2, 4? What? What did they even do? Wait, what? One, 1, 0, 0 is 1250. What is 1250? It's that one. Ugh. Oh. Indeed, they would. I mean, I would still not know what it is. I would have to just find out that it goes over here to this. Okay, I think I have an idea how I could do it. I might have an idea. Which is really a stupid way. But I might have an idea. I don't know. Is it? Does it work? Across the entire editor? Yeah, but I would have to just like scroll really far, so it's much easier to just find it for half a minute following it. I mean, you can, if it's one object, you can just search it like 2, 1, 2, 3. Like, what's that? 2, 1, 2, 3. Oops, that's the wrong button. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's this one. I'm struggling here. How does it work? How can I make it work? I have to. Basically, I have one spawn trigger. Or one spawn that should spawn these here. I actually want to see that. Wait, what is it called? What does this level look like? Trigger. Old color triggers. Trigger search. Trigger indicators. Right, this is the mod. What triggers activate and more because as a person I'm no longer index farming totally. If you have any you have any feature request? Yeah, okay, let's install it. Toledamos. Oh, there's multiple things here. Oh, it doesn't show if there's like wait, what? If there's too many. Oh my god. Where are the settings for this? Are they here? Yeah. Enable mod, enable trigger indicators, enable move indicators, enable better particles, enable spawn indicators, only selected, only spawn max distance. There we go. Group backlist, trigger blacklist, max object cluster distance. Thickness 1. Beautiful. How many FPS do I have? 10? 11 FPS? Hello Moxidot, how you doing? Let's go! Okay, let me edit the settings a little bit. I don't think this is the smartest idea. I think the distance here is fine, but I should have like max. Wait, no, hold on, here. Only selected. There we go. So now I have nothing, but if I select this one, then... What? Oh, wait. Ah, it goes there. Okay. Trigger clusters. What is a trigger cluster? How does it work? I don't like how it makes everything have a circle around them. Can I turn that off? Enable move indicators. Enable parallel spawn indicators. Cancel. I don't think that's it. Only show indicators for selected triggers. Only triggers. Only spawn. Only triggers, only show spawn connected triggers. What? I don't know what that does. Cluster objects, cluster triggers. Ah. Wait. Draw rectangle on an object for individual lines. Nah. You're using trigger indicators because better had it, but you must be. I don't know. I'm using it because I just learned about it basically. Oh my god, that's a lot of Okay, maybe I should do what was it? Cluster objects. Yeah. That looks good. I would like it. I don't like this circle around them. I don't like how it looks. Add this feature, by the way. Well, I have it now. Yippee! Romori, thank you for the follow. Oh, this is input, that's output. That's actually really nice. I can see the output, so I can see where it comes from. This one right now doesn't come anywhere. Nobody calls this. What? There's only output, no input. Oh, it can't find them, I guess. Oh yeah, same for these ones because it's remapping. Hello, Jajo the Goat. Hello, Romori the viewer. I'm sorry I don't have a better title for you. Move 6 4 1 to 2 1 enable indicator. Oh. What does it do? Enable indicators? Nothing. Enable preview. I don't know what it does. Hello since 1.9. Ooh, that's a long time ago. Okay, anyway. Let me just go to a new level to test something quickly. I'll have to think about it though. Platformer. So I will do here a spawn. Enable spawn indicators. Ah, okay. That's what it does? Ah, okay, thank you. Move indicators. I guess that's same thing for moves. No? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I don't want the extra clutter that it adds. When you finish, will you playtest it? I will get a lot of playtesters for it. Now you need a decreeing code to understand triggers. Well, not exactly, but yeah, that definitely does help. Okay. So I wanna... let's just do this one, this one, this one, this one. And these are all color 1, color 2, color 3, and color 4. Can I... Laura Gaming negative follow. Can I do what I'm trying to do here? Can I even make it like simply? So basically, wait. So I have, I'm trying to visualize it. So I have the spawn over there. I spawn it with this one and this one, and does not need a remap. What they're trying to do? I'm trying to think of one way of doing the triggers, getting them to work, but I don't know how to explain it, so I'm not gonna try to explain it. I'll just try to think about it myself, if it would work. For what? For... yeah, okay, fine. You win. So, I'm trying to do the box stack stuff with the lifts. And right now, I have these ones. Oh, that's actually so nice. I can see where it goes. Oh, and I can see like this one is actually wrong. Yeah, that's actually really nice. I like that. Are we gonna get all this legendary with that stuff? I hope so. Okay, so I spawn this lift here basically, and I have this spawn trigger here to change some settings on it. The aim for mythic, in my opinion. I hope so. I would love a mythic. Yeah, so I have different settings here for this specific thing here. But I'm thinking actually that I should instead use a different spawn here to spawn all of these, and then I do a reset No, but if I do a reset remap here, I can't get the new ID in them, which is annoying. Yeah, so I need to spawn all of these. But I'm gonna have... I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, so I have 6 different spawn triggers here with different box settings. Common settings. Yeah, so basically I want to make all of these and connect them to this specific lift. And this is the settings for that lift. Oh, this is the groups for that lift. You have to make those box triggers spawn the lift. Yeah. And that's the problem. I don't know how to do that. Because when I go here and I spawn the next part, right? I enable, like I spawn all of these. But I already have... I have these here already. I don't understand anything, like it scares me actually. Yeah, you don't need to worry about any of this, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Just enjoy not understanding anything and seeing as I don't understand anything either. Almost 12:30. At 12:30 is just this one. So it spawns just all of these remaps here for the other box collision. So basically it spawns this one will spawn box box itself, that collision group IDs, and then that one I remap to spawn the box lift. Here's how I do it, alright. Let's see if I will understand it. 120, 132 spawns the lift. Yeah, but there's gonna be many different lifts. So I have to somehow spawn these with a different remap every time. But I need the reset remap here, I think. Do I? Do I need a reset remap on these? I guess I don't. You do? Okay. And the lift spawns 120. Remember the remap limit? Yeah, that's exactly the problem. Because I'm like, well, I need a remap, reset remap here in order for it to work. But if I have a reset remap here, then how do I don't know. Go back to the lift. Yeah. So this one is 1124. Is this the same? Oh no, it's for another lift. Wait, what? Oh, it is the same, okay. The spawn group of this is going to be remapped. 12:30, 12. So 718, 718. Okay. Okay, so 718, this is what starts the remap. This is what starts the entire system. So this one spawns the lift. It's wait, no, hold on. Yeah, right now this one spawns with no changes. It spawns these ones. And then these ones, you're saying I should make spawn this one here, 1250. Yeah. But what if I have another lift here that would need different settings? And 1124 is going to remap to 1230. Yeah, okay, I understand that. I understand that. But what if I have another lift? Because I can't have... I will have need different settings here, so I can't have the same group here. Like, for example, here. You make them part of the same group. Yeah, so this is the problem I have. Like, I can't really do it in any way. System. Yeah. 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 You're completely right. Kurkupierro, thank you for the follow. Yeah, so what I think I will need to do is just copy paste this 6 times, I guess. So I have all of these going to a different thing, and then it should work, I guess. Oh god, I don't want to do that. Yeah, the problem is that I need a variable boxes, and I also need variable. I'm working on something else right now, so I can help you devise something else, but there's ways to design interoperable systems like this. Yeah, and I think I actually have an idea. I have an idea, so I could make these ones always spawn the same group, but then I could just enable or disable the specific group I want. What if I have 2 lifts in the same level though? In the same room? How would I enable it for both of them? Yeah. I'd recommend looking into timers. That's not what I would think about. At all. Counterintuitive. Yeah, it is very counterintuitive because I have no idea what timers would do. As the spawn mechanics are not intuitive. Oh, I see. Yeah, timers, I'm sorry. Yeah, I remember you talking something about that, but it just flew right over my head. You can make a timer spawn a group with time event. So, in other words, let's see. You can spawn a group using a set of free maps using an item ID. I see. Okay. It's really interesting. I just don't know how. Yeah, okay, it makes sense. It makes sense. That makes a lot of sense, but I don't know how I would be using it in my level though. Yeah, because you like start the spawn loop, but you start the timer with a remap, but it's just like going up and up and up and up and up until you do something about it. You're still working on this? Yep. I am on closer to finishing it though. As you can see here, I have only 6 more rooms I need to do, and I need to fix this stupid mechanics here. Ugh. Timer is stopped. Timer will spawn instantly in that case. Let me see. Of course, there's some conditions for that. Yeah. The same tick. Instantly and same tick sound the same to me. I don't see what the difference is. I guess what I could do. Wait. Okay, I have a question. Could I somehow... It doesn't matter if I add a delay on these, right? Like if I added 1 second delay here, for example, it still wouldn't work. Because it still spawns, it still has the same problem. Spawning the collisions. Yeah. So. Okay, let's say I would do the system where basically all of these lifts here would have like the same ID here. I would like to do that change you told me like I could do. And all of these would be the same group instead of having a different group. So here this one, like 1923, that would be the same as this group here. But what I would do is I would add an extra group to all of these, so I could disable them when this one is not in use, right? And then I could toggle it off and then toggle it on. Control, no, not control ID, just ID. So I just add whatever 1335 and I just do 1335. So now only when I have this here I will do that. And then what I could do is I could start all of these with a different delay. And then I could like change the toggles here properly. So they would work. Kinda goofy, but whatever works. Yeah. I mean, I think that's the easiest solution I can think of, at least. Without redesigning like the whole system. Or I guess I could use the spawn... wait, no, not the spawn, the timer thing, but I don't really understand how it works, so I don't think I wanna get into it. Yeah. Can I... wait. Well, if I do 1335 and I do here, instead of 1335 like that, I will do it here. Does it also work? No. What that one is useful for is you only need one item ID to reference a set of free maps. Yeah, it sounds nice. Would it be hard to do? It sounds like it's actually kind of simple. So like I would spawn... I would spawn a timer. So let's say like this one, 718, would spawn this one. So I have all of the needed... Wait, are these ones the same? They are, okay. Yeah, so I would have all of the needed stuff here. And then I have like a whatever item ID. Let's do 9999. Like that. And then I would have on if like I would have only one ID here that will work with the timer, and it would just be like an event for 9999. And that would spawn something, but I don't understand how that would help me. Like, I understand the idea, I guess. Multi-activate. So I guess I like understand the idea, but I don't understand how to use it. Do I need to like spawn this group? So basically I store all of them here and then I spawn this event. Yeah. Right now I'm thinking about storing basically this lift here into the timer. Wait, let me do some testing. Whatever box stuff you got needs to be spawned by an item event. Ah. Okay, let me just do pulse. Hold. Wait, no, hold on. Channel ID 1. The red. Spawn triggered multi-trigger. There's big, no channel, yeah. Okay, and then I need a timer and an event here. So if I spawn 1, and this is gonna be 1. Okay, so spawn trigger, multi-trigger, and that one will spawn this one, which will be... Wait, what? Why do I have 2? Is that the 2? It is. That's crazy. Okay, fine. 3. So this one will spawn 3 with an item ID of 1. Let's make it 4. So here I would make item ID 4. Wait, how would I do it? Hold on. First I need to do this. So whenever I spawn, I will spawn number 1, item ID 4. So item ID 4, if it's 1, it will spawn this one, which will be 4. No, 5. What is this song? It's from PUBG. I think it was the original, or one of the early lobby lobby songs. Multi-activate. Target ID 5. You can assign an item ID to an instance of a trigger system and make it spawn groups arbitrarily. Yeah, that doesn't tell me anything. That's trigger multi-trigger. Okay, so now I need to spawn 1 here first. Wait. Wait, no, this one needs to be like happening here first. And then here I would spawn... Wait, I would just... No. Yeah, I would spawn the event. So I would spawn 3. And W song, let's go. But I would change 4 into something else. So let's send 4 to 100. And then... This one would be 100. Let's just do 30. 4 to 30. Okay, I don't need the other ones. The projectiles work is when you fire, it spawns a bunch of time events. And each time event tells each projectile in a group to spawn group 95, which is move yourself to where the gun muzzle is and fire yourself out of it. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, so if you change your gun, you can change what group it will spawn, and it will spawn different projectile basically. Right. Okay, target ID 5 and different functionality. Yeah, but in your sense that would be like it, basically. Okay. So item ID 4, target ID is 5. So I don't change 5, I change 4 to 30, and this one is 30. So change... Wait, no. But I also need to spawn this one with 4 to 30. Target time. Target time. Is it stop time? Oh. Okay, so I just make target time 0.01, and this one I just do this, and it will keep moving, right? Item ID 4. Let me just get this one to check it works. Yeah, no, that keeps moving. Oh. Oh wait, can I just start paused? Ah, okay. Okay, so this one spawns this timer here. Wait, I shouldn't have any ID here. Right. So it's just the item ID. Do you want like an example to look at? Yes, I would. don't have it. What is it called? GD share? Yeah. Yeah, I was checking if I have the... have the mod. Here. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, it still sees me here. Here it shouldn't. Oh, actually. Yeah, here it doesn't see me. Enable laser with time event. Yeah, I see. So this one is just time event. Item ID 22. Target time is 1. Target ID is 41. What's 41? Wait. Where's this mod now? Ah, there we go. Resume toggle spawn. You know, that rotates it and then it rotates it back and forth. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. This is a gradient. Is this a gradient? Yeah, that's a gradient, okay. Start time. Oh, you can set start time. Ah, right, okay. Let me just go quickly back here. This one I just set start time 0101 and just start paused. So they're both 0101. Okay. Just so it doesn't keep updating it. Higher. I mean, it did seem to work. It seemed to work at least. I think I'll make it 0.02. Now it's definitely higher. Okay. So this event is 141. I don't understand what's happening here. Take buff hide in what? Take buff hide images. Hide invisible off. Ah, you mean like this? Food. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, let me just look at Firebeam item edit. Yeah. Control. Start 32. Yeah. Move. Target mode 32, 30. I don't understand anything. Hello Dominica, how you doing? Okay, in order to make it work here, what would I do? Do I do this at all? So I have two different timers here, but they both spawn the same thing. Do I have to pause resume stuff? Is that what I have to do? Because I saw you had like resume stuff. Yeah, so this timer doesn't spawn anything. This timer does spawn stuff. Time mode -1. It spawns these here, which fires the beam. What does this do? First timer for time event. What about the other one? Bolt. Lifetime. Okay. Goes fast. Yeah, I did understand that. So if I do 0.1 speed, I can see it's going like pew, 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 pew. Today my family celebrated my birthday early because my parents would be on vacation the actual day. Oh, happy early birthday. No, the ledge is gonna get me. Dead. Okay. So, how should this work? Oh wait, they're spawning 5, not 3. Am I stupid? Oh, it's still... Okay, that doesn't change it. Disgusting and awful liquor candy. GG. Wait, what if I do this and I just make it 7? And this one, 5 is 7. Oh, that works. Okay, I see. So do I need to remap the target ID as well? Oh wait. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Wait. Yeah, I'm changing 4 to 30 and 2 to 30 as well. No, let's just make this one 2. No, 3. And I'll make it 8. So 2 to 8. Right. Oh. 2 to 8, 4 to 30. Remove the 3s. Uh-huh. Time events. Oh, like this. And do this. But I can't remap time events, so I'd have to spawn a different spawn trigger, I guess, like this one, for example. So this is like the main one, and this is like the second one, which spawns this one. No. Next creator was here, yeah. Show me once. This one is just normal. And this one changes 4 to 30. So it changes the item ID to 30. So I have item 4 and 30. Second time event to 30. Yeah, that's what I did. Is that it? No. Does not spawn group 8. Oh! Oh, I'd have to have it here. 2 is 8. Oh, I got it. Okay, okay, I see. I see. I understand. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I see. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I got it. Okay, now if I want more, I would just add an extra time event like this, and I would just do this, and let's just do 2 is 16, whatever, and 4 is 31. Actually, I don't even need to change the item ID, do I? In this case, I don't. I can just use timer 4, because it's always going to be the same thing. Okay, and this is color 16. Oh, so I do need to change it. Ah, okay. 4 is whatever, 33. 33, and 4 is 30. Okay, I see. Why did my comment come true? I don't know. I have never even tried to touch the event trigger and it didn't come true. Oh, I saw it. I just didn't read it. I was focused on doing this stuff. Okay, so would this help me with what I'm doing now, though? So I have the system for the boxes, right? And then I have the other system for the lift. So would I need to spawn the boxes with the events? And literally didn't show up. I mean, I see it. I guess for you it didn't show up for some reason. Some YouTube thing. Yeah, does this help me overcome the spawn remap limit somehow? No. Can I use this somehow? There's timers limit. Can I make it so like each box has a different... So for each box collision check for the lift, it would be a different ID? So what are we trying to do here? Something I don't understand. So you can make the lift tell the box to follow lift. To be fair, this might not be useful here. Yeah, I'm trying to think. Maybe I should just do what I was already thinking about. Which was this toggling thing. Which will be really annoying to do, I think, but you know, might be simpler. So basically I will spawn 718 here, which will spawn all of these, and these will have a reset remap here. So this will reset remap, and these will spawn this one specifically, and this one will spawn a different thing here. Like all of these have different remap here, so like this one would spawn this one, that one, you know. And then for each lift I want to do, I will first toggle them on, and then I toggle them off, and then I will spawn the next one with like a delay. I guess. $12.50. Minecraft chess set. Let's go. Okay, so this one, $12.50. $12.50. But I still need to do like this one here, where I have like this for this box, and then for that box. Yeah. When you make two collisions interactable systems, there's two approaches. Yeah. One is one spawn per pair. Other revert controls that sound effects and gravity arouse to multi-activate. Revert controls? You mean like reverse them? Ah, you mean like you go like back. You can use where is it? This one here to change the direction, and this shows like what the ground is gonna be. What happens if you do this? Can you do that? The other is first system spawns a room for every other system. Does it do anything? Does it have to be 90 degrees for it to do something? Or does it choose like the closest or something? Yeah, it chooses. Okay, I see. I guess here it will choose upside down. Yeah, well, it chooses that one. So this one will actually do... No? Maybe it does... No, I don't know. I don't know. They showed the first one... Expanding this spawn limits, yeah. Oh. Okay, let me just forget about that for a little bit. And I will just work on this one, just making the singular box work by itself. For now. 90 pairs, yeah, that's too much. Okay, so this one, I spawned this, and it will spawn that one, which will spawn 650. Where's 650? So all of that. Okay, so this one should be 650 becomes 1250. What's 1250 then? That's this one here, which will spawn 1124. Which is this one. Okay, so now it should work for one of them. So if I use this here, it should work. Yeah, but as soon as I get another box here, it's gonna break. Like the other box does not move at all. Okay. What about this one? 1251, 1373. 1373. That's a box 2 gravity. Okay, so I don't need that there. Okay, so I just need this one. Just 650 is 1250. And I can do this for each of these. And it will spawn 1378. And here it will spawn 2144. Okay. So now all of these boxes individually can collide with the lift properly. So if I do this, oops, that wasn't far enough. Interesting that they work differently. I'm actually gonna BRB, I'm gonna go bathroom. So I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, I don't know why. If I would like just barely on it and I make them not touch each other, do they still work differently? Okay, there they don't touch. do they work differently? Okay, what about if I have this one and this one? It also works differently. Huh. Like sometimes it doesn't do that jump. What? Oh, I know why. I know why. Oh, I think I know why. I think I know why. So if I check the lift timer, which is 1 to 8. 1 to 8. Where's 1 to 8? Huh? One, two, 8. Oh, hello, Venom. I see, alright. I don't think I'm gonna be streaming for much longer. 128. What is 128? Box main. So 2137. 2137. So that's for the box 1 and then box 2. Hello, Danny, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. 2133. Okay, so 133. 110. 133. And 110. So I'm doing really good. Something on the trigger line mode would go crazy. I did that. Well, I didn't select all, but I wait. I didn't select all, but I enabled everything. I had 10 FPS. What? What? So insanely cool, man. Thank you. Did you know that a ghost was caught inside a car? There's a ghost car. See if you can spot it. I feel like this is some funny meme, I don't know. How? Why? How and why do they work differently? Yeah, actually, looking at this, it's actually really nice. I can see that it works. That one, and those two, that one, those. Well, would you look at that? Something's wrong here. Oh, that's what's wrong. I see. Yeah, so this one is group 2, this one is group 1. That's group 3. But here, when I move the spawn position, these two are the wrong way. 2137. 2133. I don't think that should change anything though. Well, it does change which one is... No, one is 1. One is 1. Okay, never mind. It doesn't change anything. Okay, good. Okay, I wanna test. Is this one and this one the same at least? What? Is it because I spawned the same thing? I don't understand. Okay, if I just do this, it's only 2 and 3. So, box 1 does not move with this, it's gonna fall down, yeah. Okay. And if I do 3 by itself, oh, I enabled only box 2. Oh, I wanted to do this. Okay. It's box 2 and 3 now. That will just fall. And now... So that does work, okay. So I guess this one will also work. Yeah, okay. Okay. And now it stops, wait. Okay, so they somehow change each other's they affect each other's things. It's because it's the same lift. Ah, right. So how could I change this? I can't. Right, it makes sense. Yeah, okay, I understand. So, because the lift stops going up, uh, okay, at least all of the boxes work now individually. So I have that working, but I still have more problems. The more... Actually crazy that this lift became such a big problem. Because it was not supposed to be a big problem, it just happened. It's because of the void goop that made it so complicated. Yeah. Is there a way actually here to make the indicators go like on top? How does this work? What does it do? What does it do? Object cluster. Oh, if cluster. Oh, wait, I don't have clusters. Right, makes sense. If cluster threshold is exceeded, fall back to individual lines to every object instead of one big rectangle. Ah, I see. Don't care. Thickness. Gonna make it 0.5. Can I? I can type here. Okay, 0.5. Scale with zoom. Nah. Extras fill color. Okay, that's fine. Extras out color. Yeah, that's fine. Object individual line box. Draw rectangle around object for individual lines. No. Trigger individual line box. Silly. Taking into account every single possible outcome of the box will inch a lot of complexity. Yeah. Cool distance. Less cool distance, which probably balance. You want solid objects to show their triggers from further. Chroma. RGBTQ lights. Yippee! Move indicators. Oh, turn on end preview on placed triggers. I don't know what that does. Exclude triggers. Skip triggers if they're targets. I don't know what that... Easing isn't real, by the way, it's just an inline visualizer of the easing. Easing is just how far along a line should be at a certain time or so. Okay, I don't know what that does. Easing steps, cluster size, cluster max threshold, cluster fallback. Thickness, scale with zoom. Chroma. Ah, you can change what this button looks like, I guess. Yippee! I have to... Oh yeah, I see. Yippee! Which one's the best? Pride? Nah, that's not good. Don't like how that looks. Rainbow? Rainbow really looks good. Yeah, rainbow looks nice. Trans? Not trans. Ace? I'm gonna check everything. Which one is the best? Pro is forcing pride flags, yeah. Arrow? Arrow looks kinda nice. Arrow Ace? Actually looks better, I think. Quick question, how would I go about making a pickup that changes the size of a lens circle that slowly goes back to its original size? I'm trying to make a level that is almost completely dark where you can pick up these items to see better. Needs to be a touch trigger. Yeah. Bye. That actually looks nice too. Femboy. I didn't know femboys had a... Femboys have a flag? That's not a sexuality. Gay. Okay, that was all of it. I'm gonna go to buy. I actually like it the most, I think. It's just that nice gradient. There's flags for everything these days, I guess. I did not know that they had a... Yeah. Okay, anyway, so if you want to a very pleasant gradient, this unpleasant gradient comes at your door. What are you gonna do? Hello, Alex. Okay, so Colossal, this is what you want to do. So you have Femboy flag, it says trans flag put backwards. Oh, a GG. Hello, Taka. So you want 2 shaders. You want where is it? Lens circle. So this is your whatever settings you want for the normal, like the, I don't know, you want one for the maximum and the minimum size. So let's say this one is the maximum size and this one is the minimum size. So whenever you use a touch trigger, you will move to this size and then it will start moving slowly to this size. Let's say that's what you want. So this is start size and this is end size. Okay, so you have 2 lens circle triggers like this. And what you will need to do is have a spawn trigger that has a touch trigger on it, like this. Multi-trigger if you want it to be able to be picked up multiple times. If not, then don't do that. You can also probably use like anything here. Oh my god. Okay, anyway. Don't worry about any of that. I didn't know there were so many options in this nowadays. So you can just do... Oh wait. Oh no, you can't. Oh. Toggle? Enable group. Oh yeah, okay. Here we go. So toggle and enable group, and let's make it group ID 1. So this one will spawn this group here. 3 stream streak, let's go. Okay, so whenever you pick up, it can be either of these two. I'm explaining how to make one system Colossal Games wanted. So these two will spawn okay, here we go. So you have either of these and they will spawn whatever the start size is, like when you have no lens circle basically. And then, so both of these are gonna be in group 1. And they're both gonna be spawn triggered and multi-trigger. And this one is also gonna be spawn and multi-trigger. And then you're gonna have a spawn here that will spawn group 2. And you're gonna have a delay on it. So let's say after 0.2 seconds, it will start slowly fading in. And then you make this one. Spawn 2. So, this one spawns these two. This one spawns this one. This one is when you have no lens circle. This is when you have the full lens circle. And you will just make the fade time however long you want. So let's say it takes 40 seconds. Make it 40. And this one, let's say you want 1 second before it starts fading, you put 1 second here. And now, whenever you will pick up this item that spawns group ID 1, it will spawn these two. And this one, because it spawned now, it will spawn this one. So now it becomes big instantly, or you can also make a fade in us here as well. I'll just make it fade at 0.5, and then let's make this one 0.5. So it will, whatever the wherever it is, it will take 0.5 seconds to go fully out, and then it will start going back in again after 0.5 seconds. And whenever you pick this one, which will spawn group ID 1, it will do that again, and that's how you do it. Ooh. With that being said though, I don't feel like trying to understand anything anymore, so I think I'm just gonna... Actually, Venom, I want to show you something. This is something I showed on my Discord. Not Discord, Twitter. And it's a RobTop randomizer, basically. Oh wait, oops. Right now, it's only ship parts. Activate. There we go. Yeah, so now I have a randomizer that randomly selects from some of the RobTop levels so far. No worry about the numbers. I will use a real game engine. I do. I use a Unity. But the problem is that I would have to make a game, and making a game actually is hard. I have made some projects that I started trying, but I don't have a full game project that I would like to do. How many attempts until you get a complete level? 0 to 100? Oh. I'm making a roguelike for random gauntlet. You mean this level? This is not for random gauntlet. This is a completely different thing. It's a platformer too. It's very bare bones for now, but it has random terrain generation. And I can do a lot with it. So here you can see random. Wait. Oh, it's only going straight, I think. Oh yeah, I think that's the mode I selected. And then we have a shop. Gonna wait for the map. We'll finally have plat contests. Yeah. So yeah, here we have upgrades you can get while you play. Oh my god. Make it more addicting than Balatro. Let's go. Okay, cool. Yeah. Anyway, I wanted to be showing off random dash. Yeah, so basically a rolled-up randomizer where you can change your settings. Like you can copy the level and you can just change settings easily yourself. Like if you want only stereo madness, or like let's make only clubstep, only clubstep. So only clubstep parts, and let's make it only actually the cube parts in clubstep. Wait, I shouldn't be making this touch triggered. I'm a little silly. I should just toggle them off. Yeah, so I only toggled on these ones, which are the cube parts in clubstep. So now I have a randomizer that is only clubstep cube parts. Remember my level Fallen Angel? I'm planning to make a sequel and we'll try to make it rageless feature for the any feedback deco wise. If you remember the deco from the original, I'm sorry, I don't remember at all. Ooh, this transition here is one of my favorites. It's so funny. You just have this transition here. You have the entire clubstep and then you have a transition here. And it's just something completely different. It's so funny. Make a level in old version of the game. I think it would be an interesting challenge. I don't want to. It could be an interesting challenge, but I don't want to do that. Yeah, what happens if I make everything disabled? Yeah, literally nothing. I have an empty level. Woohoo! Okay, let's make only geometrical dominator. And let's make it in order. Except I'll have to do some extra stuff for now, because otherwise it won't work. There we go. Huh? Oh. I put everything except geometrical dominator. Oopsie. There we go. Okay, so it's geometrical dominator in order. Oh, that's the wrong... Hold on. Let me change the ground because I haven't made it automatic yet, so I have to change the ground manually. There we go. There's the ground. That's a custom-made ground, by the way. So yeah, you're gonna do a lot of interesting things with this randomizer, and I want it to be a cool tool for content. Probably won't be used much, but who knows? Maybe it will become the new recent tap challenge or 100 life challenge or whatever. So I'm literally just playing geometrical dominator here. And that's exactly the point. Everything looks exactly the same as in the original official level. There are some tiny little things that don't work the same way, but it's mostly the exact same. I'll go back sharp like. I'm playing Geometrical Dominator. No. Now a dash? Yeah, I'm not looking forward to adding dash, but I will. I will try to do that. What does that one Finnish Wheatus candy used in Candyland taste like? I think you're talking about salmiakki, and that tastes like salty licorice. That's literally what it is. Okay, what else? What funny things could we do? I think the best thing is just select random. So let's make it random. And then make these spawn triggered again. What could we do? Only UFO parts? Some song parts are wrong, by the way. Oh yeah, I probably need to fix it in Geometry Dominator. Only UFO. Not many, because I haven't made many levels yet, but... It's so funny. You're just playing Clubstep and then you just get... Geometrical Dominator. Did the patients do that? It's crazy. Yeah. I don't know. I think it's just so funny that I wanna do it. I wanna add coins too to make it so you can just get all the... Oh! What's going on? Anything but Strataverse? True. Okay, but what about this? Yeah, and also if you want, add the coins in every coin place. I will be adding them in every coin place, and then I will make a coin counter too. So you can make challenges out of it too if you want. You can make challenges out of getting enough parts or whatever. Imagine this level appearing in the recent tab level while UW is playing. That would be funny. I'm gonna be talking to him though. I'm gonna be talking to some content creators and asking them to play this level and just get some reactions out of it and see what they like about it. This is what he done cloped. Oh, actually that sounds fun. Wait, let me make only these ones. Oh wait, I just toggle them off. Okay. Only... Wait, actually, hold on. Let's make it a wave challenge. Yeah, wave challenge. Let's go. Oh, you can't feature classic levels, sad. Oh yeah, because there's no other choices, it will always pick the others. Actually, how does that work? Interesting. In the share with some YouTubers, yeah. I will, and I will also like make a video of it myself too. And in it I will include some reactions from some YouTubers. And that way they know about it, maybe they will make some content out of it too. Yeah. Okay, let's make this one that I wanted to do. And after this I'm gonna just go bye-bye. Maybe I will add some new levels to this before I go sleep. Just something nicer to get my mind out of Strataverse boxes for a while. Welcome Simpsons forever. Did I enable the last part or am I just lucky? I did, I can see it. I'm just getting unlucky with it. Come on, give me the last part. Oh! Okay. What's going on there? I don't know. Some weird thing. Well, I'll figure it out eventually, like what's causing that. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Something weird happened. I'll figure it out. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I could claim it, but I don't. Look at this weekly though. Weekly 79. That's actually crazy. Over 300 weeklies have been since this one. Okay, let's save. And then I'll go. Monk weekly. Yes, 27 on Bloodbath. Yeah. I don't have that much actually on normal Bloodbath, but I have it on my weekly. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. I hopefully will be streaming more often now again. But we'll see how that goes. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, Taka, you did it right before I did it. Your timing is actually insane. Yeah, click link right here. You can find my Discord, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, OnlyFans, coming soon TM. You can find it all right there. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.